Presidential term extension to 2030/2033 is unconstitutional and will be resisted. Sanapenda mashoka tuna kuti aiwa there is this church leader anoachidismisa Mnangagwa's bid yekuextenda his presidential term. Sanapenda mashoko aiwa ingava tsamba yavanyorerwa kuti bosubscribe like kuti on the bell like kuti inda payendo manyora achiti Mr. President say demonstrate your genuineness in being constitutionalist by doing the following. First, publicly announce in no uncertain terms that those that are signing the 2030 and lately 2033 chorus are a threat not only to the integrity of your party but also to the security of the nation, and therefore will face arrest if they keep bleating the 2030/2033 mantra like the sheep in Animal Farm by George Orwell. Second, report those bleating to the police if they do not abandon their chorus so that they get arrested for abusing you and dragging your image as a constitutionalist into this repute. Third, 2028, the year of the next election, is near, and it is prudent for you to allow your internal party process to elect the person who will stand in for ZANU-PF so that you will begin to mentor the person. Avoid equivocation and plan to leave your party and Zimbabwe in a better state. If you do so, you will go down history as a leader that decided to end well-meaning the past record and leaving a good legacy. We serve the God of a second chance. Any leader who has access to you, whether political, civic, or church, who has told you this does not truly love you, and they are either opportunistic, cowards, moral failures, or all of the above. Tomashoko Amazon Tomero nyika yeZimbabwe pamusoro aiwa this term extension ne 2030/2033 madra. Tudze mafungiro enyu matikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi ichinzi aiwa this move toda kuiresista. Ina comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu musanga kuona subscribe or like